Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Stop scrolling for a second because if you're using Nano Banana Pro and you're not using the right prompts, you're leaving insane results on the table. Most people think better images come from better tools. Well, that's wrong. What actually separates average outputs from visuals that look professional, cinematic, and expensive is the prompt structure behind them. In this video, I'm breaking down the newest Nano Banana Pro prompts that completely change what this tool can do, from hyperreal macro scenes and brand ready ad visuals to collectible dioramas, artistic posters, and scroll stopping thumbnails. These are not random experiments, these are repeatable prompts you can use for content, branding, digital products, and client work. I'll show you what each prompt does, why it works, and how you can adapt it on your own niche. So you're not guessing, you're building. Let's get into it. So first is the macro coin diorama prompt. So this is the prompt I've used. Now, instead of placing an object next to a coin, Nano Banana Pro builds an entire miniature world directly into the coin's surface. I tested it with a Lincoln Memorial on a US penny, the Eiffel Tower on a Euro cent, and a Taj Mahal on an Indian rupee. So each result includes a tiny people, trees, benches, and micro details, with even fingerprints visible on the coin's edge for scale. Next is the fisheye ad portrait prompt, which feels like a global soda campaign. So using an ultra-wide lens, Nano Banana Pro creates a bold, playful commercial shot. The product sits close to the camera, the face is slightly distorted in a flattering way, and the entire image feels energetic and youthful. So, colors, reflections, gradients, and lighting align perfectly with the brand. So, now for something more artistic, the leaf cutout prompt allows you to carve an entire city or landmark into a single leaf. The leaf veins become a part of the composition, so each one looks like a premium botanical poster. If you sell prints or create static wall art, this prompt is a gold mine. So try it out. The next prompt is incredibly fun. It generates a logo that looks completely real until it's bitten. The bite reveals sponge layers, frosting, crumbs, and instantly breaks the illusion. I tested it with our logo, which is Technic Force. We have YouTube and Instagram. So, at a glance, they look real, professionally made objects, but then you realize they're cake. Perfect for viral content, brand visuals, and thumbnails. The next prompt turns historical moments into clean, collectible styles, isometric dioramas. So, I tested the moon landing, the fall of the Berlin Wall. So, each scene is centered on a raised base with miniature figures and clean composition, like a premium documentary graphic. This is extremely useful for educational and storytelling content. Now things get wild. The Fantasy Castle prompt transforms product packaging into an entire fantasy universe. So a Fanta bottle became a whimsical castle with dragons and floating air shapes. A luxury perfume turned into a glass palace with mist effects. An energy drink. These visuals are perfect for brand storytelling and high impact ads. Another prompt that never fails is the bottle world prompt. So Nano Banana Pro creates a photorealistic glass bottle containing a full miniature scene. So the refraction, droplets, lighting, and scale make this look like cinematic movie props, ideal for thumbnails and posters. Now for a minimal high-end look, there's the glass sculpture prompt. Choose any object, and it becomes a transparent glass form filled with spring flowers. I tried a glass cat with cherry blossoms and a hummingbird mid-flight filled with flowers. The studio lighting and reflections make this look like the luxury product renders. Next, sport fans will love this one. The athlete miniature figurine prompt. So turns iconic sports moments into a premium collectible statues. Faces remain slightly simplified, but the poses and energy are instantly recognizable. I tried a miniature figurine of Michael Jordan. Next is Lionel Messi. And next is Serena Williams. Finally, there's the travel souvenir magnet Flatlay prompt. So replace the city and weather, and Nano Banana Pro creates a perfectly styled top-down flat lay like a travel magazine shoot. You get landmark magnets, a large city name magnet, and a handwritten note showing the temperature and weather. I tested Tokyo on a sunny day and Paris on a rainy afternoon. The layouts are clean, intentional, and beautifully balanced. So if you want all these prompts in one place, just comment down below and I'll give it to you guys. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Writix AI, but it's done for you. No more prompt struggles. Get your work done and dusted in 60 seconds or less. Streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Writix pre-built AI workflows handle everything from content creation and marketing to data analysis and reporting. Simply choose your task, fill in a few details, and get instant professional results. 300 plus workflows cover nearly everything your business needs to do. Multitask flows, one click to done. No prompt, no problem. Our interactive AI gets you there just like an expert consultant. Craft your own workflows. Multilingual, work in any language. Designed for busy professionals who need AI that works without the hassle. Deep thinking AI models like GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4, Grok Beta AI, Grok 3, DeepSeek R1, and more. Custom workflows and limitless automation. So what are you waiting for? Get Writix now. Just go to getwritix.in.